In this section, we're going to discuss how you can sell bigger, stickier deals by leveraging a platform approach to selling Meraki. As a seller, working with the Meraki platform means you can get your foot in the door with any single component of the network stack and expand from there, or deliver a fully integrated IT and IoT portfolio from the start. Being able to easily deploy and integrate each new piece of the platform with the agility and at scale means you get natural upsell opportunities throughout the customer lifecycle, from network access into security and IoT, or vice versa. And who doesn't love that? The larger the Meraki deployment and the longer you see Meraki products, data-powered features, and products that span across access, security, and IoT, such as Meraki Health, Meraki Insight, and Meraki Vision, they will continuously learn and get better. This means there is a constant opportunity for cross-selling and upselling throughout the customer's lifecycle, made possible by the incredible power of the integrated Meraki platform. This is the topology of your standard network. The ISP connections plug into the MX firewall with an optional MG cellular gateway to provide a primary or backup WAN connection. Downstream from there will be your MS switch or switches with hardwired devices from MR wireless access points and MV smart cameras to end user devices like desktop computers connected to the network via Ethernet. Devices like laptops and cell phones are then free to connect to the SSIDs broadcast by the access points. As a seller, you might traditionally be focused on just one piece of this puzzle, such as an internet connectivity or security cameras. If you do have access to selling the entire scope of a networking project, it will often be made up of solutions from different vendors that don't necessarily talk to each other. So, if a customer comes to you wanting to upgrade their firewall, there's no natural way to start a conversation about wireless or surveillance. On the other hand, the Meraki platform allows you to meet your customers where they are while offering natural upsell opportunities all along the customer journey. If you're asked to help a customer upgrade their switching capabilities, it makes sense to also offer them a solution to protect their investment with MT sensors that monitor the conditions of their comms rooms. If customers have already seen the value of the cloud-managed security and access products, and they're now in the market for a surveillance system, you will naturally have a shot at that business and likely a leg up on the competition because it will be the only available solution that integrates seamlessly with their existing network. So let's talk about the cross-sell and upsell opportunity. As you learn about the different components of the Meraki platform and how they fit into the network topology, you'll learn how they're integrated to provide desired business and technology outcomes. Every network typically requires all of these components, so your customer probably has a switch in their back room, even if they're only talking to you about Wi-Fi. In addition, there's probably a reason they've come to you. Maybe their applications aren't performing well, or their customers are complaining about the quality of Wi-Fi. All of this means that there are opportunities to upsell and cross-sell into other parts of the platform whenever you're involved in a network conversation. Here are some questions and tactics for exploring and discovering cross-sell and upsell opportunities, and your Meraki account teams will be able to provide many more specific to your customer's scenario. Importantly, this extra opportunity is predicted on the power of the platform and a unified approach. Your customers will quickly learn that Meraki is going to provide them with optimized performance, stronger security, improved IT operations, and access to analytics that can transform their businesses and how they engage with their customers. These realizations are what keep customers coming back and buying up the whole Meraki portfolio. The platform approach through our offering and integrations with other Cisco ecosystem solutions will only keep expanding on the value delivered. Here's a little teaser of some of the seriously transformational insights customers can harness with Meraki. This is the analytics page for a Meraki camera. With a couple of clicks, you can see real-time statistics and visual data, helping customers better understand traffic patterns in their business. This capability is built into the Meraki dashboard with out-of-the-box features such as people counting, motion heat maps, and location analytics. Imagine the transformational capability here. Retail customers can gain an understanding of which products draw their customers in the most and see traffic patterns through their store. Compare that data over time or against other locations and use those actionable insights to optimize a store layout in order to increase conversion rates. Healthcare businesses can better understand where potentially contagious individuals are and create measures to prevent cross-contamination or quickly evaluate the utilization of beds, wheelchairs, or other resources. Fitness clubs can better understand which equipment draws the biggest crowd and supplement with more of those machines or optimize the layout of the facility. The possibilities are endless. Here is another example of analytics gold that's built into the Meraki dashboard. For any business that provides Wi-Fi to its customers, Meraki Location Analytics can help them understand the movement of users over time throughout their space. Proximity data helps to understand the number of people that are passing by and what percentage of those passers-by become visitors. Engagement data reveals how long those visitors spent in the location. And then loyalty data shows how frequently those visitors return. This data can also be used to glean insights across the business as a whole, with comparison tools built in, so administrators can analyze data between sites or performance of a particular site over time. Retailers can use this data to better understand queue lengths and wait times at cashier stations and service desks, and use this data to improve operational efficiency and staffing during peak hours. Hotel chains can identify underperforming bar, dining, and spa facilities by comparing guest dwell times and repeat visit rates across properties and date ranges. Or send location-based promotional offers to guests to improve experiences and engagement rates. Theme parks can identify the most popular rides at different times of the day, providing opportunities to alert visitors of rides nearby with shorter lines and supply wayfinding navigation to help them get there. Manufacturers can use this same technology to assist with asset tracking of inventory in warehouses and in identifying the location of key employees on the factory floor if a problem requires their immediate attention. Regardless of the industry, you are now able to appeal to other lines of business and convert IT from a cost center to a source of innovation for the organization. You can broach the solution as value to business owners, marketing teams, product developers, and more. One or more of the main values that the Meraki platform brings to partners and customers when it comes to monitoring and management of customer networks is the end-to-end visibility, helping the operations teams improve the overall end-user experience. The data that's collected along the path, starting from the client device and Meraki's tight integration with Intel and Apple through Meraki's wireless, switching, and security devices, and all the way to target application status, is processed by the Meraki Cloud dashboard. The dashboard's advanced artificial intelligence machine learning engine creates user-friendly analytics that not only help reduce time to resolution, but will help with building a proactive and predictable network operation in the future. Managed service providers use this unique analytics functionality to generate up to 80% savings in resources when resolving customer operational issues, which not only improves partner service margins, but ensures a greater customer experience and leads to increased business through upsell and referral opportunities. Here you can see an integrated Meraki network topology in the Meraki dashboard, a powerful cloud-managed tool that provides administrators a graphic overview of the logical network topology, the status of any devices, and key data points about the health of their network. This network-wide feature becomes available automatically in the Meraki dashboard when MS switches are deployed in a network, and is one of many examples of how each best-in-class product line becomes even better when used with the full platform. All of this added value means your customers will keep coming back for more. And our numbers prove that selling Meraki offers exceptional opportunities for our partner sellers to sell more and earn more. Meraki has a remarkable 91% license renewal rate, with 60% of customers repurchasing in the first 2 years, with a 3.3 times increase from initial purchase value. Selling managed services with Meraki means your bank teller is going to know you by first name. You're probably now asking yourself, what is the best way to start using the Meraki platform approach to create more sales opportunities and earn more money in the process? We would suggest starting with analyzing your existing Meraki customers' install base and identifying the opportunities where you can position expansion within the same or different product category, all supported by the business outcomes your customer wants to drive. We are there every step of the way to help you, so please make sure you use the power of our partnership and involve your Meraki account team to support you, especially when using the proven Meraki see, try, buy notion, where we can help provide your customers with demos and trial equipment at a very short notice, so you can reduce the time to value. And a hint, 68% of our trials end up with an order, so make sure you give yourself all the advantages you can get. By using the benefits and values of the Meraki platform approach, you will be able to expand faster, sell more, and earn more with our account teams at your side to help throughout the process. Now go get those Meraki sales and say hello to your bank teller for me.